I'm not the one doing a project today. Here's the Mrs. DIY mom. We're just gonna do a time lapse. We're gonna tape up the side here and paint it a different color. We'll see how it looks when it's all finished. This is the before. And we'll see the after. Well, after 2 coats, this is the finished product. It's looking pretty good. This is a satin finish, so it's not quite glossy, not quite matte. But the trick is to do proper prep before you actually apply paint. So make sure you clean the surface really well, take your time, and take the tape off, not before it's totally dry, otherwise you might peel some off.